Hey everybody, my name is Wes, and today I'm going to tell you how to use the 3-axis smartphone gimbal made by Snoppa. Basically, when you get out of the box, the device will be like this. On top here you have the phone mount that you can lock in place. Then you have the handle, and then here's a power indicator. So this is the button to turn on the Bluetooth, and then it'll flash green when it's not connected. Once it's connected, it'll be a solid green, and then while you're charging, it'll be red. You can slide the device open to get it ready. On the back here you have a micro USB slot to charge the device, and you have the battery inside that's not changeable. And then on the bottom here you have a counterweight. This can be changed, so depending on how heavy your phone is, if it's lighter, if it's heavier, so you can change it for your phone. And then I'm going to show you how you use it. So basically, first thing you want to do is you want to lock your phone in place. So you do that by sliding it in the mount. Then you want to do it so the button is on the left side. I just messed up there. So there you go. I'll start up the phone. Then start up the app. Connect it. This is connected. It's solid like this. Here is when you first set it up. You want to make sure that the phone is aligned, so it's showing you where the back of the mount is. So you just want to make sure it's aligned nicely, and you just say OK. You have 3 modes of follow. The follow mode, so you have left, right follow, pan follow, you have lock face, and you have omnidirectional follow. So right now we're in pan follow mode, so by the pan. Alright, and then you can switch to lock mode. So this will lock it in place, so it'll always face in the direction you have set it to, no matter how you move it, up, down, left to right. And then you have omnidirectional pan. Omnidirectional pan is similar like pan follow, but then omnidirectional pan will also do up and down, and then left and right. If you want to take vertical video, you can as well. You just hold it here, and then you rotate and hold it straight up. You'll feel it vibrate, and then it'll lock itself into place. And then if you want to go back to horizontal, you just lower it and it'll automatically go back to horizontal. You can do so for both sides, doesn't matter what side you do it on. And it's just that easy. When using the gimbal, if you want to adjust the angle or anything like that, it's very simple to do. All you do is you grab the bottom, you just adjust it, hold it for a second, and then it'll be ready to use. You can do it for up, down. You can just adjust the angle very easily like this, and then you can just shoot what you need to shoot. So right now you have the device on and you're using it, but then say you have to go do something. So if you just close her up, the device will go into standby mode. But then if you're ready to shoot again, or you need to shoot again, you simply just open it back up, give it a second, and then it'll start right back up. Out of the box, you'll find that your 3-axis gimbal comes with these objects. Basically what you have here is the different counterweights for the phones. So this is a counterweight that'll already be in the device when you take it out of the box, but this will be good enough for iPhone 5 and anything of relative size or weight. And then if you have anything heavier, then you can use the metal weights. This metal weight will work for iPhone 6 Plus and Samsung Note. And then you also have this tool here which helps you remove the counterweights. So basically if you want to change the counterweights, you want to pull open the device, and then here in the bottom you'll have the counterweight. So you use the magnet to pull it up, and then you just pop in the other weight. Simple as that. You have all the settings you would expect for a camera, for taking photos, white balance, focus, things like that. Here you have the camera mode, so you have video, panorama, and time-lapse. For panorama, when you take a photo, it's going to take a series of 9 shots, and it's going to rotate on its own. So it's going to take 9 photos at 270 degrees. You can see here it's doing it by itself. Once it's completed, it'll automatically save and crop the photos together and save it to your library, the same as if you take video or pictures or anything else. On this side here, you have the button to change between front-facing and rear-facing camera. This is your photo library. You have settings, and then this is the Bluetooth settings to connect the device and things like that. When you want to turn the device off, basically all you do is you take it and you just close it like this, and it turns off by itself. You can disconnect your phone, and there you go. If you want to use our gimbal with a different app or just a regular camera on the phone, you can do so really easily. First thing you want to do is you want to connect the phone to the gimbal, and then you open her up. You want to press the button one time, and then you want to do a long press to turn it on. When you use the gimbal this way, it'll be in the previous mode that you just previously used. So if you had it in lock mode or omnidirection, or it'll just be in the previous mode. And then if you want to shut it back down, you simply just close her up, and that's it. And that's basically it.